Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. You need Okta admin rights and an API token to create apps. Once confirmed, install Okta Verify on your phone and add the Okta Mobile SDK to your app project. Make sure the device OS matches the SDK requirements and that network access is available. Now create a new OpenID Connect app in the Okta admin console and note client ID and redirect URI so you can wire them into the mobile app settings. Next, you'll configure the app and SDK. In the Okta console, set redirect URI and enable authorization code with PKCE for native mobile security. Once done, add required scopes like OpenID, profile, and email. Include any custom scopes your backend needs. Integrate the SDK by pasting client ID and issuer URL into your app's config file, then implement the sign-in flow and token storage. Make sure tokens are stored securely. For iOS, use keychain. For Android, to finish, test the full flow. Sign in, verify tokens, refresh tokens, and perform logout. If something fails, enable SDK debug logging and inspect network requests to the Okta endpoints to see exact errors. Make sure redirect URI in the app matches the console entry exactly, and check device clock sync because token validation is time-sensitive. If needed, regenerate the API token or reissue client credentials, then retest. This usually resolves common misconfigurations quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.